everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. Today is a gorgeous sunny Saturday. I'm just bumming around the house. This is the second video that I've done. And today I have a Stitch Fix. And for you those that don't know, Stitch Fix is an online styling service. Pay them $20. They'll style you a box of 5 items based on a questionnaire that you fill out. I've been a Stitch Fix member, I think, since 2018. I'm probably one of their best members. I do not have to pay that $20 styling fee. I actually pay for the year $49 a styling pass. I was offered it several years ago, and I can get unlimited amount of fixes. It doesn't cost me any money. Shipping is free both ways. I'm not obligated to keep anything in my box. So I only keep what I love and send back the rest. My stylist is Shannon from Shannon Style. I met her through YouTube, and yeah, so just recently I switched my price points and I said I wanted some Luxe items, and my warehouse got switched with that. So I typically am either out of the Indiana or the Pennsylvania warehouse, but when I made that switch this month, they put me to the Dallas warehouse. So I was very excited to see what Shannon had picked out for me. Some of these things were in my note, or they're also things that I have pinned to my inspiration board. My inspiration board is huge, so I am on that app at all times, doing the thumbs up, thumbs down game, picking pictures out, putting it on my inspiration board. So I got a lot going on, all right? So let me show you exactly what I got. So I thought I needed new white sneakers, all right? I have a pair of white leather Adidas sneakers, and I thought were kind of starting to go on me, all right? So I asked for a new pair of white leather Adidas sneakers, or I just said white Adidas sneakers again. And I guess she couldn't find that, but she found these. So when I saw these in my style profile, my preview, because you now get a preview of the items, and I think I selected 3 items and she chose the others. These are Golas. They are not leather. They do have some leather or faux leather accents here, but for the most part, they are canvas with a rubber top. You know, they have a tread down at the bottom. I've never tried Golas. I think these are very cute and will make a great basic shoe. They were $60, and I'm just not so sure I need them, but I will try them on for you, and I will look to see how bad my current Adidas are and see whether or not it makes sense to buy these for $60. So I do like them a lot. I'm just not so sure I have to have them right now. Very cute sneakers, and I'll let you know how they fit. All right, the next thing that she showed me in my preview that I chose were these jeans, because I did ask her, and if you didn't see my last video where I bought the cut from the cloth jean, I was looking for some flares, all right? She couldn't find flares, but she found these bootleg, and I really do like you know, democracy, and these are in a 0 petite. And let me see if I can find the actual name on these. These are the Katherine Bootcut distressed jeans, all right? These what I would say is a dark wash, but with some fading. I really don't see much distressing on them. Oh, a little bit right here. Very little bit. Now, I do have a dark wash pair of bootcut jeans already, so I'm going to try these on. I'm also going to compare to the ones I have, just like I'm doing with the Adidas sneakers, to see like how similar and how close they are, and do I need a kind of replacement on them. So I do like these. I just don't know if I need them, especially after I'm probably purchasing those 2 and keeping those 2 from cut from the cloth, okay? And again, these are in a petite, my normal size, 0 petite, and that's usually what I am. So the third item that I got, that unfortunately just fell on the floor, is this Camisole. Now, I know this is quite boring to everyone, okay? But this is by Socialite. It is, oh, it's a Stitch Fix exclusive too. It is the Sloan Lace Cami in extra small, all right? I need a Camisole. I don't have any white, off-white, black, red, or any, I have very few camisoles, but not plain. And if you've been watching my channel, I like to wear a lot of 3rd layers, so whether they be jackets or cardigans, you know, I need something to keep myself layered up and warm. And sometimes you just can't wear a shirt with sleeves underneath. When it comes to fall time, I have like a lot of sleeveless turtlenecks that I wear under them. So I know people say those are a waste, but I like my sleeveless turtlenecks. They're great for layering. But I don't have any camis, so I'm kind of excited to have this. This was $38, and again, this was in my preview, so I accepted it. let me come over here. I don't remember the price of the jeans. I think they were $78. So you do get, you know, a style card with a note, which I will read in a bit. And let me look to see. The jeans are $78. So the jeans were $78, the sneakers are $60, and the Socialite Cami was $38. So I'm going to try all those three on with you, along with the fourth item. And I've been telling her I'm looking for a leather purse. I really want a brown leather purse, and there's really one from Lucky I wanted, but she couldn't find that. But I've told her in the past that I really like this T. Tahari name brand, and this was pinned on my board, so I'm very excited she sent it. I was so looking forward to it. This is a beautiful, beautiful quality bag. This is the T. Tahari Joplin Hobo, $148. And honestly, I shop at, you know, Coach, you know, outlet, Michael Kors outlet, and I would say based on the feel of this and the look and the craftsmanship of this, I would say that this is equivalent to that kind of quality leather. I really do like this. The only thing that hesitates me, and I know it's picky, in the online when I went to check out to see what it looked like, this to me looked like a beige with a darker beige, and this is like blush pink with the beige. And while I do love the color blocking, I'm not so sure I love these two colors together. And I kind of was thinking I would bring this into the fall, but with this light pink, this is really definitely screaming summer. I thought there were more tans to this versus the pink and the white. So this makes it a summer bag. The one thing I do want to point out is the back is completely white. All right. So that one might also concern some people. It's like, oh, they cheaped out there. So I know I'm not going to keep this bag because it is too much of a summer bag, and I'm already looking for more of a fall bag. I will take the stuffing out. It is quite a substantial bag. Okay. Wow, quite a substantial bag. All right, it is quite substantial. It has a zipper pocket, which you probably can't see. All right, on here on the side, and then it has the typical pocket where you can stick your cell phone, and then another pocket right here on the other side. It is lined. It's again T. Tahari. This is genuine leather. Let me show you the closer look here at the straps. Again, back plain, front, and it has like this crisscross detail and the color blocking. Really, really cute purse, but $148. I just don't need a spring purse right now. I really could use like a brown fall one, and I just thought this one was more of the tans, and love it to death, and I'm probably gonna kick myself for returning it, but it is a beautiful bag. I will try it on with the camisole and the jeans and the sneakers so you can get an idea of how that all looks. All right, so that's 4 items. The 5th item is this really cute romper. This is by Bella Doll. If you're not familiar with Bella Doll, it is an expensive name brand. It's carried at I think like Bloomingdale's and Ever Eve. And this particular one is called the Sleeveless Easy Romper. They're calling it light blue, but it's striped. It's size extra small. It's $168. So I gotta love this if I keep this. It is very cute. Again, it's a romper, so it's short length. And the shorts look quite short, maybe like a 2-inch seam, which probably doesn't bother me. I'd have to see what it's like on. Fabric is beautiful. Let me see if I can find the fabric on here. It feels like 100% cotton. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fabric. Can't say a bad thing about this. You know, I'm gonna have to try it on and see how it looks on me. I do not see the fabric tag. Yep, wait, here it is. 70% rayon, 30% linen. And the machine wash cold, no bleach, tumble dry low, do not dry clean, iron as needed. Do not use spot removers. All right, so totally cute. Like it. I'm going to have to try it on and see how it looks on me. I don't have anything like this. I don't have any. I asked actually for either a light colored romper or jumpsuit. I have a lot of dark, and I'm looking for light. And this, I don't have anything striped. I have nothing in my closet vertical striped, I don't think. I don't think a single thing. So I'm kind of excited to try this on. So yeah, give me a minute, and I'm gonna do a try on for you. Okay, I have 4 out of the 5 items on with me. First, I have the purse, all right? And I wanted you to see what the size of it was in comparison to my body. This is considered a hobo style. The straps are not adjustable, if anyone's interested, so it does not come down very far. It is definitely a shoulder bag. There is no crossbody strap. Beautiful, beautiful bag. It's just one isn't for me. Oh, one thing I wanted to point out, and I did not realize it, there's like a built-in pocket right here. So you could also put your cell phone, I don't think I would, right here on the outside pocket if you'd like. So let me come a little closer again so you can see the colors. They are very pretty, but it's more of a spring bag or summer bag, I'd say. So again, I'm kind of like done with summer at this point and kind of starting to look for more fall items. So this one is gonna go back for the price. It is a beautiful bag, and I think I'm probably gonna regret it, but at this point, I just can't justify it because I just don't really need a summer bag, all right? You know what, if it's around next year, I might actually get it, okay? Next is the Socialite Cami. This is an extra small. It has the adjustable straps, which I really did not have to adjust. I did do a front tuck on it. I'm not gonna take it out yet. I'll take it out in a bit after I show you the jeans because I wanted you to see how the jeans are. So this is perfect. This is exactly what I need, and it was the price of the Nordstrom camis that were on sale. So I don't think $38 is bad for this. It is, I'm pretty sure, 100% polyester, but what cami is not really, right? But I did want a dressy white or ivory cami. The jeans, they fit like a glove. I'm going to also try them on. I got the sneakers on now, which I'll pan down in a bit. But I'm also going to try them on with a pair of heels because I'm not so sure the length will work with these heels, okay? So these are, again, Democracy jeans, the mold and hold, that nice stretchy waist. I think they fit me well. They might be pulling a little bit here at the hips, maybe just a tad. Nothing that would be a deal breaker. This is the only little distressing, which to me is nothing on them. I mean, it's like, to me, why bother this little bit? You know, you either do a little bit more or don't do any distressing at all. Extremely comfortable. I would say this is my size. I would not size up because they would then kind of be baggy on me. I am a little bit concerned about the length, and also I have a pair from White House Black Market already, bootcut style, that are a very, well, these are just darker than these, but still they're a very similar wash in bootcut style. So I'm not so sure I absolutely need these, especially based on the length they are, but we'll check them out in a minute what they look like with a pair of heels. So let me pan down to where the shoes are. All right, so you can see the shoes, the Gola shoes. All right, in my opinion, these are not worth it. All right, they're 60 bucks and there's really no cushioning whatsoever. These to me are like, you know, Target slip-on shoes. $60 is not worth it for me. These, I know this is like, oh, a Gola, the name brand, but there's really no arch support, no cushioning. I'm here on my wood floor and I can feel the hard floor right through these. The type, when I wear shoes like this is what I would bring on vacation to do a lot of walking. So the typical shoes that I do are these, I know they're a lot clunkier, but they're Adidas, and they're like a nice, soft, cushiony shoe. And I know they're not quite as cute as the other ones, and they are starting to get a little bit worn. They're not as pretty as they once were. So I was looking for a replacement possibly for these, but I honestly feel, and boy, they're pretty worn out too on the bottom. I honestly feel I can probably get another season or so out of these shoes. And I'm not going to keep the Golas. They're just not worth it to me. There's no support in them whatsoever. All right, so yes for the cami, no for the purse, maybe for the jeans, haven't figured it out yet, no for the shoes, okay? Let me show you the length of the cami so you can get an idea. All right, let me pull it out. So there's the length of the cami. The jeans come right below my belly button. I can pull them up a little bit because they are kind of sagging here on me. All right. So yeah, they come like right to my belly button, okay? So yeah, I mean, I like the jeans, but I just don't think I really need to get them. Give me a second and let me switch out the shoes so we can see where the jeans fall with a pair of heels. Okay, as I suspected, with the heels, they're a tad too short. Let me pan down, and that doesn't make them as versatile. So I'm kind of like like, my legs are a longer part of me. So these are just coming to the top of the shoe. I prefer, I mean, I'd be constantly pulling them down to make sure that they covered the top of the shoe, which I can do if I do that, but I know when I sit down and get up, they pull up, and if I ever put them in the dryer, they would shrink up to the point where I feel like I'm wearing kind of floods. So I'm gonna have to pass on these jeans. I think I'm gonna keep the 2 pair that I just got from cutting the cloth. Definitely keeping the Cami though. Definitely like the Cami. All right, let's try on that expensive romper and see how much I like it. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm actually happy to say this romper does not fit me well. So they're a little bit, I wouldn't say snug, but just make it in the hips. If I wash this in the wash, forget about it. It's gonna be too snug. I mean, it just makes it. It's a little bit tighter in my hip area than I am comfortable with. The length too is a little bit shorter than I prefer. Like, I can handle short things, but I prefer really to go to my fingertips, and you can see that these are even shorter than my fingertips. And again, I'm 5'2", so please keep that in mind. If they're short on me, they're definitely gonna be short on you. The next thing I don't like about it, it's the top part is just too long for me. It comes down quite low because I'm a shorty, and it kind of like bloussons right here, and not in a good way. Like, it's almost like, I don't know, it's just not laying flat, to be honest with you. I think I'm just too short in the torso and too wide in here for these. So, I mean, the fabric is beautiful, but I know if I wash this even on cold and delicate, even the teeniest, tiniest shrinkage, it won't work for me. So at that price and this, I'd have to give it, pass on it. It is nice though. I do like the style. It's definitely my style. I'm excited she sent it to me. These are the types of things that I'm looking for in my boxes. Not so much the price point. I mean, I will have it, but I'm looking for like light, airy things that look presentable for summer, or I'm looking to move on to fall. All right? Well, how'd you like my fix? I think she did a great job. I think the only thing I'm gonna keep from this fix is that Cami. If you're really petite, I would recommend this romper. Otherwise, forget about it. It's the inseam is like next to non-existent. The jeans were nice, but in a petite, I actually think they were too short. And the purse was gorgeous. I'm probably going to regret sending that one back, but I honestly can't justify a summer purse right now. And the sneakers I do not recommend. They have absolutely no cushion. I'd much rather spend that kind of money at my Adidas at DSW and get something cushioned that I can walk in. All right, thank you again. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Take care, and until next time.